We've confirmed the charter flight this afternoon, San Jose.
That's good. It's wonderful. Is Donnie back yet?
I don't think so.
We ready?
Yeah, 2 mil, more or less.
KG-9, shotguns, MAC-10.
One here. Snug them up tight, lads. You're gonna need them.
You sure we can't spare one of the prospects?
We don't know what Pudlova's gonna show up with. We need bodies. At least till we make the exchange.
Yeah, okay.
Tara's here.
Right on.
We'll keep you safe.
Yeah.
Okay, I got it.
She's all set.
You sure about this?
I'm the only one who can do it. Admit it, you need me.
You guys headed out?
What gave it away?
Low one's down at the station, finishing up Gemma's release. She should be home soon.
Okay, thanks.
And I'm all set.
Good.
You stay whole.
Will do. What you do for us, it won't be forgotten.
You guys set? Yeah, it's 100 bed.
So make no mistakes.
Yep.
Jockey boy.
Make it big. You're good on that.
Take care of yourself, boy.
Yeah. All right, bro. All right. Come on, man. Yeah.
Let's go, boys.
Come on, let's go. When you get the text, you let us know. Then deliver these 2 letters.
No, we'll handle it.
I love you, son.
I love you too.
You all right?
Yeah. Let's just finish this.